Hello all. I want to talk about the service of Hewlett Packard, and this service is known as HP Life. Here it is, www.life-global.org. I'm going to provide this link. I have provided you through Blackboard, and if you click on that link, it sends you right on this site. And if you look at here, this is a course, complete course for entrepreneurship. And for someone who wants to start his or her business, or has already a business and wants to improve the operation of his or her business, or a student who likes to learn about entrepreneurship. And let's look at this is the people who have taken this course. Let's see what they say. This is shares ideas and solutions to make businesses more successful. And here, someone from India says that it is a pretty neat and impressive, platform, and it helps you to select, among these courses. And many people are taking these courses across the, as in every country, and it is offered in different languages, and it is a hands-on practice. And as you see, the people have a lot of good things that they say about this Hewlett Packard course. What are these courses? These are short courses. Each one of them might take 1 hour, 30 minutes to complete. Therefore, as you see here, they are divided into 5 categories. One of them is called communications. One of them, startup and innovation, finance, marketing, and operations. Under communications, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 courses. And these small short courses, they give you a certificate after you finish each one of them. Therefore, the first one, during first week, we will try to complete these five certificates. I will work with you and I will help you. If by any chance you fall behind, you don't know how they work, you don't know how to submit your certificate, that's no problem. I will work with you. I give you my email address. We will work through Blackboard, and even I will give you my cell phone number that you can always call me and get information about my work number, my cell phone number, to get information about how to complete these short courses that might take between 30 minutes, 1 hour, and let's see what it is. As I said, during first week, we will try to complete these 5 under communications. Week 2, we will try to finish startup innovative, and then there are 5, some mini courses, success on mindset, 3D printing, starting a small business, design thinking. These are for second week of the class. But for now, we will go to the first one. For the first week, as I said, we are going to help you to get 5 certificates for the communications. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 4, and the last one is 5. Let's see where the first one is. I click on this communication, business communication. After I click there, let's see what I get. It says, you see here, it says enroll in this course. I click enroll, and after I click there, it asks me start course. You are most recently, you were most recently in communication. If you are not done, I logged in actually with my Google account, with my Gmail account, and here is the course I started. And let's see if where it is, and let's see if it is on this screen or this screen. And here it is. It is asking me that if I go through this through this course of communication, the first course of it, these are what I am going to learn. And then after I learn these things, I have to make sure that I go through the story. Story is here. I go there, and that is like my lessons. And I learn here. After I learn that, I will go through business concepts, and then I go through technology concepts. I go through feedback, and I go through next step. After I go through all of these, hopefully when I click here, it will show my certificate. And then If I get a certificate from this course, I will save that certificate, in a folder, and then I can submit that on in Blackboard, showing that I have completed this course. That might take around 30 minutes. Let me go ahead and click on this story, for example. See, story slides. I get some slides. That's wonderful. And business communication story. And I scroll down, and here is, it tells me to click on the next step, which I am going to click next. And imagine that these are, oh, I get lecture also. Here it is. And I click here to continue.
Jose, I can't chat. I'm in a big hurry. I need you to send that job.
I click next.
What job order did Julian meet? He must have met the Jones birthday party order since it was the last thing we talked about.
Okay.
It's all right. Here, let's send it to him right away.
Okay, after I go through all the slides, then it will allow me to go to the next step, which is business concepts. And maybe it asks me a few simple questions and technology skills. And after I go through all of these, at the end I will get the certificate. Therefore, that completes my first lecture. And look at here, it offers it in different languages. Then you collect these certificates for the first week. There were 5 courses, and you submit them to an assignment Dropbox that I will create. I will create in Blackboard, and that is about how this works. And as you all have noticed, it is an interesting subject. These courses are not difficult, but they are very informative, and you can learn a lot by going through this. And as you see, these are, if we look at here, these are 5 in here, and this is, if there are 4 columns, this 20, and then 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28 courses, and 29, 30, 31, and 32 courses. That's wonderful. These are great. You will learn a lot by going through these videos, and they are not boring. They are very informative, and I would say that Hewlett Packard has done an excellent job. And as I said, it has a foundation that has paid for this course, and they are trying to promote entrepreneurship among students, among businesses, and hopefully they can create jobs. For now, as I said, during first week, you are going to get a certificate. Here I already show part of this course, and then after that you complete this one. You are doing it, all of these, during first week of the class. This is you complete this one, and you complete presenting data, and then we go from there. That is my first lecture.